guys, I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to get to some free Audible books if you would like. So this isn't something you have to do if you like to listen to Audible books. If you don't have access to a lot of books at home and you would like to entertain yourself with Audible, I just wanted to give you this link and then show you how to use it. Like I said, it's not mandatory. It's not something you have to do for class, but for some of you, there might be a book or two on here you could use for your presentation. So if you go to courses, and right now I have it set up to look through Anaya's version of it, so this should look like what yours looks like. Over here on the side for upcoming, I have this, and it's under materials. I have it where it says free audiobook link or free Audible books link, whichever one you want to click on. When you click on it, it will have this link right here and it says Audible free. And then if you click on Audible free, it should take you to this site. So the site right here is just a list of all the books that they have on here for free. And there's not a ton, and there may not be something that is extremely interesting to you, but there are some pretty good ones on here that I really enjoyed, and so I thought I would share. If you've never read Harry Potter is here. If you want to look, they're kind of divided up by section. So there's teen, there's tween, which both of those would hit you guys. Literary classics, which would, hit all of you. Call of the Wild is a great book. If you like adventure, it's a really fun one. If you are really sad that we missed out on The Tempest, Tempest is here. Hamlet, The Scarlet Letter, Wuthering Heights, some of those literary classics are there. But if you want something just a little more fun, the teen books or teen or tween have some really interesting ones. I know a lot of students have read the first one of this, so the second one would be Hollow City. Squint is a fun one. The Last Boy and Girl in the World. So there's a bunch of different options. Like I said, it's not every book by every mean, but it has a lot of different options for you. And if you're a Harry Potter fan, you could read that first one. Like I said, there's a lot of different stuff here. So there's some fairy tales, which I thought were interesting. Aladdin, there's a short Cinderella one. And then if you are interested in Spanish at all, some of them read in Spanish. So they've got Harry Potter in Spanish and Dutch and French and all sorts of different things. So if you're searching for a book or you want something, you're walking around outside and you want to listen on your headphones, there are a bunch of good books on here, and it's just an option, and it's free. And so the link will be here throughout the rest of the trimester. I'm not sure how long that link will stay free, but it's a resource if you'd like. All right, have a great day.